Hello students, how are you all? Fine, very nice. So welcome back to Nagesh Kurasgi Orchid School channel. Today we are going to learn awareness subject, okay? What we are going to learn? Yes, today we are going to learn awareness subject. So you have to take out your awareness skill book, okay? You have to take out awareness skill book, page number 2828, okay? Open the page, keep the book in front of you, fold your hands and sit quiet, okay? Before starting with this topic, I am going to show you one video, okay? You have to observe it very carefully. Got it? Yes. Come on, fold your hands and look at the board, okay? Yes. Okay, so all are ready. Just fold your hands and observe this video very carefully. Understood everybody? What you have seen? What is there given over here in this video? Yes, can you tell me? Yes, it is about a little seed. So what will happen if we grow the seed? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, you can see here what these children they are doing. They are digging the mud, okay, with this spade, and they have put one seed in the mud, okay. They have sowed the seed in the mud. So what will happen the next? What will happen? Sun will come out due to the sun rays and due to the rain. What will happen? What will grow from this seed? Yes, very good. A small plant will grow and it will grow. Then what will come to that plant? Flowers. Very good. So have you all understood what is given in this rhyme? Yes. So today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is about plants. Okay children? What we are going to learn today? Yes. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, that is about plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. So how the plants they grow, that we are going to study today, okay? So do you know how plants they grow? Yes children? How plants they grow? Have you all seen how plants they grow? Yes. See the very first stage, what is this? Seed. Many of the plants they grow out from seeds, okay? So the first stage of a plant is a seed. So what we have to do? We have to sow the seed in the mud, soil. Mud means it is soil, okay? Then we have to water the plant, water the seed. The seed will start growing bigger, okay? It start swelling up till the outer coat of the seed means it will come out. Till that the seed starts growing. Then the outer portion will go out, it will be aside and roots are formed, okay. These are roots. Which part is this? This is root. Then the plant will grow again, it starts growing, okay. Again it will grow big, okay. You can see here how the plant is growing, okay children. So today we are going to learn about this plants. So I will show you one practical demo of plants, okay? How plants they grow and what are the material, what are the things that we require to plant a tree, okay? Means to plant, okay? So everybody have to pay attention to teacher, what teacher is going to explain, okay? So the very first point, how to plant, okay? How to plant. So for that purpose, what we require? Many plants they grow from seeds. So now what are seeds? Do you know what are seeds? Okay, I will show you what are seeds. Okay, yes. Can you see this? Yes, children. Can you see this in the bowl? Yes, these are called seeds. What are these? These are seeds. So now what things are required to plant these seeds? Yes, what tools we required? Yes, very good. We require a pot. Yes, this is a pot. For this pot, again what we require? Yes, children, what we require to sow the seeds? Very good. We require mud. Mud means what it is? It is also known as soil. Okay. So see here in this packet, can you see this soil? Yes. Yes, we have to put this soil in the pot. Okay. Can you see soil in the pot? Yes. So after this, the next step what we have to do? We have to take this seeds, and what we have to do? We have to put in the soil, okay, in the mud. Got it? After that, again a few soil we have to add in it, okay. We have to add a little soil again, okay. So after that, you can see now the seeds, they are inside the soil. After this, the next thing is required, that is this. What is this? It is called a spade. It is a gardening tool, okay. It is called spade. So we have to loose this soil, okay. We have to make it loose. Means all the soil should not stick on the top. So it should be loose. After this, we have to use a watering can. What is this? Yes, very good. It is a watering can. We have to fill water in this. Then with the help of this, we have to put water in the pot. Now can you see the mud? The soil, it became wet. Okay? Yes? See, now this we have to water the plant in this way. Okay? So the soil will get wet. After this process, what we have to do? Yes, very good. We have to keep this pot in a proper sunlight. Due to the sun rays, the seed, it starts growing. Okay. First, the seed is small in size. Can you see this size of the seed? Yes, it is small. But after giving water and proper sunlight, it start growing. It will grow bigger, bigger, bigger. It start swelling, and the outer coat, means this black color coat, it will break. Okay, it will be aside from this seed, and the seed will start growing. Okay, after growing, now you can, I will show you one pot which I have already planted. See, can you see? Yes, children, can you see this pot? Yes. Okay, after means planting the seed in the soil, after sowing the seed in the mud soil, after 5 to 6 days, the plant will grow this much. Can you see this plant? So nice, beautiful it is, green color. Can you see? Yes. So it will grow within 5 to 6 days this much. Got it? After 10 to 15 days, it will grow this much. Can you see? Yes. Can you see the difference? How it grows? So the very first stage of a plant is seed. Yes. From the seed, a small plant will grow. Okay. Within 2 to 3 days. After 5-6 days, the plant will grow this much. Okay, it will grow this much. After 10 to 12 days, it will grow long. Can you see this green color plant? Yes. After 10 to 12 days, the plant will grow this much. So this is the process of a plant, and all this process, it is known as germination. Okay, what it is known as? Germination. Germination means to grow. First it is seed. After that, roots will be formed. Okay, then it will start growing. Again after few days, it will become a plant like this. Okay, So you have to do this practical thing at home. Okay, you have to do plantation of any of your favorite plant. Okay, you can plant. Okay children, so this is the stages of a plant. Got it? So what a plant requires to grow? Yes, there are, how we human beings, we need food, clothing, shelter, water, everything we require to live. Yes or no? In the same way, these plants, they also require food, water. Yes or no? Food means proper fertilizers we have to add to the plant. Okay, in the soil we have to add proper fertilizers, so the plant will grow bigger and bigger. Got it? Along with that, we have to water the plant daily. Okay, with the help of this watering can, you have to water the plants daily. Along with that, proper sunlight should be there. Okay, means the plant will grow very fast with the proper temperature. Okay, so it is essential that we have to give a proper sunlight to a plant. Okay, yes, so everybody understood this? Okay, now you have to take out your awareness skill book, page number 2828. Okay children, open the page and look at the board. See children, you have to observe on the board. Now I will show you something. You have to observe it carefully. Okay?
Plants. There are many plants that grow from seeds.
Yes, you can see here there are many plants, they grow from seed. Like we have seen just now practically. See, the boy is having the what is this? Watering can. Very good. What is this? Soil. This is spade. So we require this material to plant the trees. Can you see, with the help of proper watering and with the help of proper sunlight, the small plant, it started growing from the seed. Okay, understood? So children, now we have seen the stages of a plant, from this seed to this plant. Okay, now you have to turn the page. Next page you have to take out, page number 2929. Okay, now here we have to do practice, number the pictures in the correct sequence. Okay, so what is the first stage of a plant? Come on, tell me fast. Yes, the very first stage is seed. So you have to write here number 1. Write fast. After sowing the seed in the soil, what will happen? Second stage, yes, few roots are formed and the seed, it starts swelling. So you have to write here number 2. After this, more roots are formed and the outer part will become a side. So you have to give your number 3. So after this third stage, again few roots are formed here and the outer coat, it will come aside. So give your number 4. After number 4, when the outer coat is aside, the plant will grow little bit bigger. So this is 5th stage. And the last one is number 6. The plant will start growing. Okay. Complete fast. Done? Yes. After completing this, next page you have to turn. Page number 3030. So now we have studied about the plants. How the plants grow, what they require to grow, how we should take the care, and what are the gardening tools that we require for plantation. So now we are going to see types of plants. Okay, there are many types of plants that we are going to see now. See here, the first one is climbers. Climbers means, see here, they have given climbers have weak and soft stem. Okay, climbers have weak and soft stems and they need support to stand and grow straight. For example, grapevine. Have you all seen a grapevine? How the plant it is? It will go straight, but they require some support for growing. This is a pea plant. Green peas we eat, vegetable. This is pea plant. Okay, and this is a money plant. Everybody, you all are having money plant at your home? Yes or no? So I will show you money plant. You have to observe how it is. Okay, see children, this is a money plant. Can you see the plant is going straight? Okay, it will go straight, but it requires some support because the stems, see this part, this green color stick, it is known as stem, and they are very soft and they require help and support to grow. For support, you can see here I have put one stick in this. Can you see this stick? It is just for the support to grow this money plant in a proper way. So which plant is this? Yes, it is a money plant. Everybody you all have at your home na money plant? Yes, so this is a money plant. Understood? And this plant is known as a climber. Which plant it is? Climber means it will climb like this. Can you see? Almost we keep near the windows, so it will grow very properly with the support of the window. Yes or no? Yes. So it is a climber plant and it is money plant. Okay? Yes. So children, these are climbers: grapevine, pea plant, money plant. Okay? So they are known as climbers. Now we will see about creepers. What are creepers? Creepers, they have soft green stem, like same this climbers, they have soft green stems and they grow along the ground. Okay? For example, a pumpkin plant, it will grow along the ground, means they grow only on the ground, they will not grow up. Okay? They will grow along the ground. Also watermelon plant. Okay? So these two plants, they are known as creepers. Understood? Turn the page, next page. Now we will see more types of plants. There are shrubs. Okay? Climbers, creepers. Now we will see about shrubs. What are shrubs? They are small plants with many stems. Okay? So for example, cotton plant. Okay? You have to observe the cotton plant. It has many stems. Again, example, rose plant. It has many stems. You can see at your home. Okay? Rose plant. It has many stems. Also the marigold plant. Okay? Marigold plant also, it has many stems. So these plants, cotton plant, rose plant, marigold plant, they are known as shrubs. What they are known as? They are known as shrubs. Now we will see herbs plant. Herbs means what? Herbs means, see here, herbs are very small plants with soft green stems like mint plant, coriander plant, parsley plant. So I am having two plants with me, this mint plant and coriander plant. I will show you. Okay? You have to observe how these plants look like. Okay? See here children, the first plant which we have seen, mint plant. This is a mint plant. Can you see? It is also known as pudina. Okay? You can find in your kitchen room. Okay? You can find this plant at your home. Okay? I suggest all the parents, kindly take your kids to the vegetable market, so they can observe this, all the vegetables, the variety of plants at the market. Also you all can take them to the nurseries, so they will be able to identify and recognize various types of plants. Okay, yes. So children, this is a mint plant. Which plant is this? Mint plant. Very good. Next one, what is this? Yes, it is a coriander plant. Do you know this? Yes, this is a coriander plant. So this mint plant, it is also known as a herb. Herb means what? They are used as a medicines, herbs. Okay. So one more plant I have with me. This is tulsi plant. Do you know this tulsi plant? Everybody all have at your home? Yes. So it is a medicinal plant. Okay. Yes. So which plant is this? Tulsi plant. This is mint plant. And this is coriander plant. Okay children. So you can see here many stems are there for this plant also. Okay. Yes. Now we will see the next page. That is page number 3 to 32. So here are few types of plants which are big in size, big and tall, that we can see to the roadside or in the farm. Okay, so they are, see here, big and tall plants, they are called trees. What they are called? Big and tall plants, they are called trees. This is banyan tree. Okay, which tree is this? This is banyan tree. Repeat after teacher. Banyan tree, mango tree, coconut tree, neem tree. Okay, yes, banyan tree, mango tree, coconut tree and neem tree. Why these are called trees? Because they are tall and they are bigger in size. These trees we can see in the, yes, farm and roadside also we can see. If you all have this plant at trees at your home, you all can see coconut tree, how tall it is. Okay, yes. So these are also the types of plants. Now next point, next thing is things we get from trees. Okay, so children, do you know these trees and plants, they help us in various types of forms. Okay, they help us in many ways. For example, yes, this big trees, what they give us? Yes, very good, they give us fresh oxygen. Whenever we sit under a tree, how we feel? Yes, we feel very airy, we feel very fresh. Okay, so in this way, these trees, they help us in many ways. So they give us what? Oxygen. Along with that, they gives us vegetables and fruits. Okay, vegetables and fruits. They give us pulses. So vegetables and fruits, everybody all are knowing. We eat fruits, vegetables. Okay, pulses. Pulses means all the types of dals that we have at your home, na? Yes. So all the dals, they are known as pulses. Now you see here medicinal leaves. Okay, these are like medicines for us. Many of the trees, they are medicinal trees. So they give us medicinal leaves. Also the plants, also the trees, they give us flowers. They give us wood. Wood means lakdi. You all know? Yes. Spices. Spices means garam masala. Okay, you can see in your kitchen, you can see at your home in the kitchen room. Also they give us gum. What is gum? We take gum to paste the papers. Yes, that gum also we get from this trees. So I will show you some practical things which I have brought with me. Means how the plants, they help us, what they give us. Okay, I will show you some things, you have to observe them. Okay children, so one by one teacher will explain you how plants or trees, they help us. Okay, so the very first thing what we have seen, what the plants they give us, what the trees they give us. vegetables. Yes, vegetables means, see here, brinjal, this is cucumber, yes, bottle gourd, tomato, all these are vegetables. So the trees, the plants, they gives us vegetables. Understood? Next thing what we have seen, yes children, next thing what we have seen, medicinal leaves. So as I told you, tulsi plant is a medicinal plant, okay, it is a herbal plant. So these leaves are very useful. Whenever we feel cough, cold, that time we can have this tulsi plants, okay, we can eat these plants and we can get relief from cough, okay. So this is medicinal plant. Also this mint plant, it is also a medicinal plant. These leaves are medicinal leaves, okay, yes. Now I will show you the next thing that we get from this plants, okay. So children, I will show you some pulses that are means plants they gives us, okay. This is pigeon pea, means tur dal, okay, yes. And one more I will show you. This is chana dal, okay, yes. So plants they help us in many ways. They gives us pulses, vegetables, also they gives us fruits. What is this? An apple, guava. So these are fruits. So plants they gives us fruits, vegetables, pulses. Also they gives us, what are these? Flowers, okay, yes. They gives us gum. We use gum for sticking the papers, yes. You on the tall and huge trees you can get the stone type of this gum, okay. You can get this gum on the tall trees. You can see on the trunk of the tree you will get this gum, okay. Also they gives us, yes, what they give us? Medicines. These are medicines we get from trees, yes. Also they give perfume, yes. Again what plants they gives us? Do you have any idea? Yes children, what is this? Paper. We get paper from trees. Also we get, what we get from trees? Do you know? Yes children, do you know? Also we get wood from plants. Wood means lakdi. This table, it is made of wood. So we get this wood from trees. So have you all understood how plants they help us? Yes children, have you all understood how plants are useful for us? Yes. So now you have to take out the page number 3434 of your textbook. See here, it is fun time. Color the things that we get from trees. So this is a homework for you. You have to complete this at home. So which things we get from trees? Fruits, wood, flowers. So you have to color these pictures at home. Understood? We get spices. Do you know spices? Garam masalas. Yes. See this. This is cinnamon. Means it is dalchini. Okay. Can you see this? This is cinnamon. Okay. This is cardamom. Okay. Elaichi. This is clove, lavang. You can see in at your kitchen, in your house also. Okay. And these leaves, they are bay leaves. They are used in spices. So all these spices, plants they gives us. Okay. So in this way, plants are useful for us in many ways. Okay, children. So today we have learned the very interesting topic related to plants. We have seen how the plants they grow, what they require to grow, how we should take the care of the plants. Also we have seen the types of plants and the things we get from the plants. So in this way we have to maintain the plants very properly at our house. Okay, so you should plant the trees more and more. Okay, so I hope that you all have understood this today's content. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.